How is it going everybody? Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Today I'm really excited because I have here with me the all new much anticipated Android flagship, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra in this silver shadow color, which by the way looks absolutely stunning. Well, I've been using this phone for a couple of days now, and although it looks very identical to the last year's S25 Ultra in terms of design, it might look like they haven't changed much compared to their last year's flagship phone. But trust me, the moment you start using this phone, the more you're gonna appreciate Samsung for all those exclusive features they have added. With that being said, today in this video, I'm gonna show you some of the Samsung's latest and greatest S26 Ultra features that will make other Android users jealous. So stay tuned and watch this video until the very end. Also, let's aim for at least 1000 likes on this one. With that said, drop a like, leave a comment, and let's get started. Alright guys, starting things with one of the most popular features of the S26 Ultra, and that is the privacy display. All you're gonna do is just open the quick settings and you will see this brand new toggle. You can simply turn it on or off right from here, but there is so much more you can do if you go to details. It opens this all new privacy display section from where you can take it to the next level. You can set conditions for turning on privacy display when entering your password or PIN, and if you want, you can also apply just for the notifications pop up. So when you receive notifications on your phone, it will block only that portion while keeping the rest of the screen visible to others. What's more exciting is that it works on an app basis too. So just go through all the applications you have installed on your phone and choose the ones that contain sensitive data such as banking apps or even your phone gallery. You can just block out those applications which you think might have sensitive information. I really like how Samsung has neatly implemented this inside the S26 Ultra, and I think it's the perfect balance between hardware and software. Now let me also show you a couple of really useful tricks related to the privacy display feature. If you go to advanced features and then select side button, here you can actually assign a double press action to activate or deactivate the privacy display on your phone. And I think this is the quickest way to turn on the privacy feature. Now you can just double press the power button, that's it. Did you know you can also create a routine for this inside your Samsung phone? So just go into modes and routines, click the plus icon to create a new routine, and under the if section, look for Wi-Fi network, then select your Wi-Fi connection and then click on disconnect. Now tap on done. Next, for the then condition, search for privacy display and set it on. You can also enable maximum protection if you want to. Finally, hit on done. Now whenever you are outside and not connected to your home's Wi-Fi, it will automatically turn on the privacy mode for you, and when you are back home safe and secure in your private space, it will turn off the privacy feature once connected to your home's Wi-Fi network. Again, such a useful routine that everyone needs to create if you're using the latest S26 Ultra. And this, by the way, shows how capable the Samsung's flagship phones with their amazing software. Now, many people probably heard about the audio eraser feature that was introduced last year with the S25 Ultra, which helps you remove background noises from your videos. But now what Samsung did is they have expanded this feature to work inside any video streaming apps on your phone. For example, let's say you're watching a football match or maybe cricket highlights on YouTube. If the crowd noise is too loud and you are struggling to hear from the commentators, you can simply swipe down and open the quick settings. Here you will have audio eraser right at the top. Just tap on it and toggle this on. Now you can control the background noise of any videos playing on your phone, and it also works on live broadcast as well. I mean, how cool is that? Guys, you will only see this audio eraser toggle when you play or watch videos on your phone, and if you're doing some other task, it just disappears from the control center. I don't think you will find any such features on other phones out there. Next, let's talk about some new AI features, and we'll start with wallpaper customization. If you long press on the home screen, go to wallpaper and style. Here if you click on change wallpaper, We previously had something called generative wallpaper that lets you generate wallpapers with built-in presets and templates. But now we have got this all new creative studio option where you can completely describe what you want to create and generate your own wallpaper with the exact prompt you like. So instead of using templates, you can literally do anything you want and style your home screen with a wallpaper designed by you. You can choose from a variety of different styles and then give your own prompt without any restrictions. Another interesting AI tool they have added is inside the Gallery app. When you click and edit any picture, just tap on this AI button. You will now get this brand new photo assist create option where you can easily describe what you want to change in that image, give a prompt in your own words, and then hit on this create icon. Within no time, Galaxy AI will transform your imagination into reality. Not just that, it even allows you to blend images by merging objects from a completely different picture, and the Galaxy AI will smartly blend both together in a single frame. This is the level of AI features you get on the latest S26 Ultra. I mean, they are so powerful and advanced compared to other phones with bunch of useless AI features. Since we are talking about Galaxy AI, we also have this brand new feature called Now Nudge, which is available right below the Now Brief option. Once you toggle this on, it basically understands what's on your screen and starts suggesting helpful information related to that. For example, it can give you information from your old screenshots if you need it without having to search, or suggest you add events to your calendar based on dates mentioned in your conversation. It can also help you fill in online forms by automatically entering all your details. So this basically acts like your personal assistant that comes in really handy when you're looking for some information. Next, we have got a couple of new exclusive features when it comes to shooting videos on this phone. As you can see, there is a new stabilization toggle right at the top and it's called Horizon Lock. Once you turn this on, what it does is, it keeps your video stable even if you rotate your phone 360 degrees. So basically you can do anything, move your phone in any direction, but the video will stay stable with the horizon lock in place. It works flawlessly and it feels like you're using a gimbal on your Samsung phone. Another amazing thing is that we now have the option to record videos in APV log mode. This you can enable by going into your video settings, select video format, then go inside APV, make sure it is turned on and you have selected log format. It has to be APV 422HQ for the highest possible video quality on your Samsung phone. Once it's done, just enable the APV toggle from the top, and they've also given us some built-in LUTs which you can use to color grade your videos. So if you want to record professional videos, then make use of all these powerful features. Next, if you go to the call settings, here you will see a new option called call screening. Once you toggle this on, now when you get a phone call from any unknown number, you can screen the call and allow Galaxy AI to answer and ask the person why they are calling. It will show you a live preview of the conversation, and if you want, you can jump in between and answer the call anytime you want to. It is available in different languages and it works exactly like what we get on Pixel devices. Since we are inside the call settings, here another feature that you can enable is this caller ID and spam protection. This will identify and show you the spam calls right in the caller screen, and now you don't have to install Truecaller app on your phone. The best part, you can also block those spam calls automatically by just turning this on. So that's pretty much it for this video. These are some of the exclusive new features of the S26 Ultra, and I'm sure you won't find such amazing features on any other phone right now. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comment section, and if you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I'll see you guys in the next one.